Hello everybody. Again, I'm here at this website which is a stratascratch, and this provides bunch of questions which has been really asked in the interview by top-notch companies, right? So I'm going to go on the coding questions segment. Other than that, there are non-coding questions data project also available. So here I'm going to get into the coding questions, right? And the filters which I'm going to apply over here is Python and free questions. Company I'm not selecting, I'm going to go for all the companies, right? Because for FANG companies are something we are left with very few questions, almost all of them are solved, right? So that's why I'm going to keep all of the companies, and after that difficulty level I'm keeping only medium. So here the list of questions which I get are this. So out of this, what I'm going to pick the first one, the Forbes interview question, right? So let's get into that and see what is the question that we have here. It says, find the three most profitable companies in the entire world, right? So here it has given the list of uh, it has given the data which has list of 100 companies along with their profitability. Let's have a look at the sample data, what kind of sample data that we have, right? It is just producing the sample data. Let's just give it some time. Okay. In the meantime, while it is producing, let's read out the questions further. Here it says output the result along with the corresponding company name. So in the output there are two things which is expected. One is company name, the other one is their profitability. Then sort the result based on profits in descending order. Okay, so then again you have to sort the values into the descending order as well. Okay, so what we're gonna do is let's have a look at the expected output. So in the expected output, this kind of the information which is expected, company name and the profits, their profits in the descending order, right? So let's have a look at the sample data. Here I have executed. Let's just execute and see top 5 records. This is the data frame and I'm just picking the top 5 records. So you see this is this kind of the data it is looking, right? Company name, sector, etc, etc. So here we have the profit column, right? And other than that we have the web pages as well. So trust me, this is going to be the simplest ever question, though it has been given in the medium difficulty level, but this is going to be very simple. All that we require is we need to pick the company name and we need to pick the profits, right? So let's just first pick the required columns which are needed to keep the pick the company name. So let's say company, then we are going to choose profits. All right, profits, both of these two things are chosen, right? So here you see both of these two things are chosen. Now the next thing which we require to pick is the largest values, right? The companies with the largest profit, right? So for that, the function which we used is, there is one function which is called Nlargest. All right, Nlargest, this is the function, and it takes two arguments. Number one, how many records that you want to find. So here in the question it says find the three most profitable, right? So top three it want, right? So how many companies, how many records that we want? Three. And what is the column in which we want to find the maximum value? So that column is profits. So let's just put profits and let's run this. So here is what you got. You see, this is as simple as that. ICBC company 42.7%, this company 39%, this company 37%. So you see how simple was it, right? It just picked the largest values and it has given it to you. Now if you want to sort this, let's just try to sort this. Sort values by profits, and though it is already sorted, but because it has asked in the question, so let's just try to put that ascending equals to false. Let's run this and see. Oops, the spelling error. Ng ascending. Okay, now you see again you're gonna get the same kind of result, but it's just let's just do that, right? So you got this solution, right? This is how you can solve this. Let's just check the solution whether this is correct or not. So yeah, the answer is correct. Now you solve this in just less than 5 minutes. Bingo. Let's see the next question in the next video. Until then, happy learning, wish you good luck.